have these people tweeting you about information that they can share. Pinoy Volleyballista actually is saying that Sagon is a former NU Lady Bulldog, and I do remember.
Oh, yes!
Sagon, right?
Yung pala yun.
Pamilyar eh.
Yung, oo, tama. I was
Thank you for
trying
refreshing our memory.
Thank you so much. Ako kanina ko pa rin iniisip yan eh. That she must have played somewhere. Hindi ko lang
iniisip ko sa probinsya, di ba?
No, ako, kasi Manila School eh. So, tama, NU. You are right.
And here is Tikar right now going to Balse at the stretch for that. Si Balse pinagalitan si Tikar. Ang taas naman ng set mo sa quick.
Kasi sometimes, let's say you have two guest players like Mary Jean Balse. Alam mo, sayang, di ba? Pag nasa harap sila, you have to maximize them. And kailangan yung sets mo, medyo maingat ka. Tsaka Nene Bautista rin.
What a serve by Dayan Tikar, actually. A lot of velocity coming from that very minute body. And Aiko Ordaz sends that one long. So now NU shooting themselves in the foot. They were up by as much as 8 points earlier. 5 na lang itong hinahabol ngayon ng Lady Chiefs. And actually, I'm very impressed with the way Tikar has been setting here in the first set. Although, medyo hindi pa sila nakakalagwa rito kontra sa NU.
Oh, nice serve.
She's got a very wicked serve. Here's Aiko once again. And Aiko sends that one long again.
Yeah, it's really the wrist action that is missing. Itong si Ordaz, well, ganyan pa nga talaga. Dahil bago pa itong si Ordaz, yung inconsistency na doon pa. But believe me, itong batang to
it's one of the futures.
A lot of power.
Right. Future players of probably the national team. Again, a great serve by Dayan Tikar. And the denial there on that attack by Dindin. Here is Aiko again sending it long. That's 3 in a row. Timeout called here by the Lady Bulldogs. There's a big bit of concern right now in the way they're attacking. Let's listen in. And so now let's see if they can arrest the situation. As you can see, the full house that we have. Dati may nakikita pa tayo orange seats sa taas. Ngayon may mga umuupo na po dun sa orange seats na gano'n. And I think it's better to sit there kasi mas malapit ka sa aircon.
At sagad ng sitwasyon mo.
Here's Dayan Tikar. Again, a great serve. And it's a very high percentage one at that. Dindin trying to use her height. Here's the setup. Nene Bautista. Henson! Yes! She is going to get a lot of fans.
That's right. Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina. Very appreciative itong volleyball fans talaga. At they will say it. They will show you. They will clap. They will cheer.
Again, I have to give half the credit now to the serving nitong si Dayan Tikar.
Kanina pa
siya
nandyan.
Naman, ang ganda na naman. I mean, it's very sharp. It's hard to orchestrate anything from that. Here's Tikar right now, going to Balse!
Doing what she does best. At pinakitaan itong NU.
In the league for 10 years already. We have a substitution here for the Lady Bulldogs.
General comes in.
That's Fatima General.
More for defense.
Right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Isa na lang pong inahabol dito ng Lady Chiefs. Great serving so far from Dayan Tikar. There's another one, but it goes long.
Sails out. Henson so far 2 attack points. Partner Balse having 2 also. Masyado lang maraming errors ang NU in this first set.
18-16 right now. Here's one of the best servers in the UAAP. On deck, Dindin Santiago. Nice one. Here's Tikar. Going to Balse, denied by Jaja. So the Santiagos have been dominating this first set.
Right.
Saka pa naman dadaan doon ang haba na nakaharap sa'yo. Time out, Arellano.
Andito si MJ, di ba? Sana dito ka sa metro na. Dito ka. binigyan ka ng bola sa likod, nandito si Santiago. Dito sa itaan yung bola. Wala magmamadali. Pasukin mo, Selly, ng quick. Okay. Mabilis na shot lang, mabilis na bola lang. Hindi natin kailangan lang, mabilis na bola lang. Sila na dito na.
Looking at Arellano, that's also a very tall team.
Yes. Oh.
If you look at them there.
Oh.
Which makes Perpetual's victory in the NCAA and San Sebastian meeting them in the finals.
And at least in
Impressive.
this first set, kahit yung maliliit nila like Henson
Yeah.
and Tikar, palabag din naman.
Right. Yung Tikar, grabe yung leadership na pinapakita so far. But it is 19-16. Here's Dintin Santiago into the net. So 19-17. 2-point lead for NU. And the return right now of Salamagos, Shirley Salamagos. More height in the front line.
That's right.
Ruby De Leon setting up the play now for NU. But they don't need one because Balse hits into the net.
Sayang yun eh. Very close pa naman ang score natin. So now, it's another 2-point lead for NU as Pablo comes in for General.
So now Pablo back in front. Santiago also back in the lineup, but in the back. Simon Dadang now to put it in play. And still in the back though for Nerissa Bautista. Ruby, great setup by Ruby for Jaja.
My goodness, the perfect combination. A veteran like Ruby De Leon getting that one-handed set.
And this will benefit people like
Today.
Precious May Salibad na
Yes.
napapanood niya itong si Ruby. Ganun palang...
Saka na yung mga spikers din.
right.
Na pwede yung tuloy-tuloy lang talaga dapat yung approach eh. Kaya nyo pa rin paluin.
Sagon getting it across, but no second ball coming. Dadang couldn't find De Leon. Another substitution right now. Our first look now at Angelica Legacion, who's in to serve for the Lady Chiefs.
Well, we were talking about De Leon. De Leon now 12 excellent sets
Wow.
for 60%. 12 of 20.
Wow.
Grabe. 60% success rate.
Great block there by Salamagos. Here's Tikar feeding Salamagos. Sentrong-sentro nila laro no? Here is Myla Pablo, and that's off the hands of Elaine Sagon.
And that was with hang time, partner.
Right.
Talagang tumigil pa dun siya dun sa area. Oh, look at this one.
I'm telling you, I'm a big fan of this young lady. She's going to bring it the next season of the UAAP, that's for sure. Urdas. And Tikar on her horse, can't get there. So 23-18. Lumobo na naman ang kalamangan dito ng National University. 2 points away from claiming the first set. Aiko Urdas. This time hits into the net. And we have a substitution here. A lot of shuffling here. New center coming in. And a number 12, itong si Lexil Osorio, who's their team captain. Jan Reyes. Ruby attacking. Pablo, that's too near. He has to use her left hand at tumama sa antena. Good call there by referee Efren Gaha.
Isa pa yan. Season.
Iiwas ako na nga pag-usapan yung mga referee.
Kung may season
Pinasok
at
mo pa rin.
season. Ganda naman season. Parang nakakaalat, nakakaanghang.
Here is Pablo. Parang singkamas. Lagyan mo ng bagoong. Ay, mahilig si Andre Mulla sa ganun. Singkamas na maraming bagoong na maanghang.
Mahilig siya sa lahat. Dapat comes in now for Jaja
Wala
Santiago.
ko pinipili si Andre Mulla. Ba't hindi tumataba yan? Ba't ganon, 24-20. 4 set points now for the Lady Bulldogs. Here's a Jane Mandapat. Trying to put it away. Salubong kaagad ang ginawa doon. Here's Bautista. Reyes. De Leon. Dindin. Great block and a point there scored by Salamagos.
And Salamagos smartly, look at the block. She directed the block to where nobody was there.
Right.
Hindi lang niya basta binalik She angled her body nilagay niya sa kabilang side ng net. Point for Arellano.
But they still need to contest with 3 set points. And Salamagos with a service error. Anticlimactic way to end this first set. Pero maganda mensahe pinapadala ng Arellano rito sa inyo na hindi sila basta-basta magpapatulak dito. It is at 25-21 as we take a look at our shake and play. Good defense, but it wasn't enough as Arellano loses set number 1.